Zhuji Gema Machinery Company Limited is established in 2009. Our company is one of the leading manufacturers in China, which produce hydraulic hose assemblies, hydraulic hose fittings, and adapters, as well as the agent for related fluid joint products. Our company is located in the beautiful city Zhuji, which is well-known hardware city of China, near Shanghai, Ningbo, and Hangzhou, and it takes only 2 hours by car. Annually, we produce 10 million units of hydraulic fittings, 5 million units of hose connectors, and 500,000 of hose assemblies. We export to more than 30 countries and districts, including Europe, America, Middle East, Asia, and Africa,